to Gideon Park, Woolwich, Stratford, Maryland, Forest Gate, Manor Park, Guildford, Seven Kings, Goodmayes, Channel Neat, Romford and Gideon Park.
So my plan is to do similar as I did when I went through Barking, and that's to walk home via the Woolwich Foot Tunnel. I believe I might go past Beckton Docklands Light Railway Station, so I might pop into that. But other than that, once I finish this video editing, that will be my lot for today, so only a short one. Whereas tomorrow, I'm off to Scunthorpe again, and Doncaster. Will they have amended Platform 0 sign? I doubt it. I think this is as close as I get to one of the new classes of trains. So this is Goodmayes Station, going over renovation. I noticed most of the stations on this line are going passing Barking Station. This time I'm going on the other side of the road. In some respects you wouldn't even realise it was a station. Okay, so I have arrived at Beckton Docklands Light Railway Station, which is a end of the line station, and there used to be the Beckton Alps here, which was a skiing practice line. Anyway, from Beckton you can get to Stratford International and Tower Gateway, and oh look, here comes a Docklands Light Railway train. So that means I don't have to hang around, I can walk down the station and walk straight out. That Royal Albert Dock, or sorry, the George V dock, at the end of the runway for City Airport, so I can't resist filming the plane coming into land. Because it's so fantastic standing underneath them like this. The Woolwich Ferry, why not? We've had trains, we've had planes, so let's have boats. This is the Ernest Bevin. There's actually two running today.